Hey there YouTube, good afternoon. Today I want to show you one of my finds from a year and a half ago. This is a vintage Kirby Sanitronic model 562 upright vacuum cleaner. I bought this vacuum at a local estate sale for the amazing low price of $5. And I just didn't get the vacuum itself. I got all the original attachments and all the original boxes, all for $5. I couldn't go wrong. I think the people just wanted to get rid of it. And as you see here, the Kirby Sanitronic logo on the belt lifter. As you see here, this vacuum's been serviced before. There's a tag. The only thing I had to do to this vacuum was I changed out the rear motor cover here because the original cover had a bad spring mechanism for the handle. So I found a model 560 vacuum which had the same back cover, and I swapped the covers. If I find a different spring mechanism, I'll fix that old cover up and reinstall it on here. The handle used to be limp. Now it bounces back. Even though this vacuum looks all original, a couple of the parts are not original. But the previous owners did a really good job of picking matching parts to keep the originality look of the vacuum. The power cord, it has the modern Kirby logo. The power cord has been replaced. And also the rear cloth bag, it has a modern Kirby logo on it. That bag is not the original, but both parts are close enough matches to the original parts, even though they're not the original parts. And it's got the Kirby Sanitronic bag holder here with the chain. $5, I couldn't go wrong. I was debating on getting a vacuum like this off and on for a while because I had the exact same vacuum as a kid that I picked out of the trash and fixed up, and I gave to my sister. This vacuum was made or produced during 1964, I think. And then later on, Kirby came out with the dual Sanitronic, which was the last smaller Kirby like this, which was produced until 1969. And after 1969, the Kirbys got bigger, and it came out with the Classic. It's missing the headlight. I gotta get a new bulb. Some people polish up these aluminum bodies. I think I might just leave it dull for character. I don't know. But I might as well give you guys a demonstration. I'll unloop the cord here. I'll plug it in. And I'll turn her on. Working great now. Before I swiped out the covers, I cleaned the motor assembly inside the motor. It was all caked in dust. But yeah, this vacuum, otherwise, it works good. Hopefully I can find a new spring mechanism for that rear cover. And then I could fix the rear cover, the original one, and put it back on, because that cover, it has a model tag for a model 560, and this vacuum is a model 562, so yeah. And that concludes the video. Bye.